Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Welcome to the show, Kunal. My first question coming to you today is with regards to what's happened with the dollar index. Clearly, it has lost momentum. We've already broken that 93 mark. We did head towards that 92.40 level on the quantum of data that came out as well as the speech that Powell gave. Now, what's the sense that you pick up? Because Fed's clearly looking at a new strategy, and that's something which could probably inflate the dollar, but it will not really spark a stronger rally.
Yeah, so what Fed did yesterday, basically, the Fed has said that 2% inflation target is something they are going to pursue aggressively. So, what happened yesterday after this, we heard Mr. Powell's speech, the dollar index strengthened to 93.30, 93.40. But that strength should have come in a longer run because if inflation reaches 2%, at that time the interest rate will go up and interest rate will go up, and because of that the dollar index will strengthen. But that was a future move, but market yesterday reacted to that. And what happened today after testing yesterday 33, if you can see this chart, from 93.30 the dollar index fell to 92.30.
Correct.
So 100 bips fall in the dollar index. So this is not normal. And because of that, we have seen a massive risk on trade across equity, commodity, everywhere. So I think this is going to continue, and 92 remains the strong floor for the dollar. It should not go below 92. Below 92, we will see a sharp depreciation in the dollar. So I think it should halt somewhere at 92. But because of this, all the commodities have become very attractive internationally. In India, the repercussion of this same is almost Indian rupee has strengthened another by 1% today, almost 1% today. So because of the way dollar index is crashing, the rupee also is basically strengthening. So a lot of people throughout the day ask me, sir, rupee अभी और कितना लग रहा है? So 92 पे अगर डॉलर इंडेक्स हॉल्ट होता है, तो वो पैरिटी को मैं कैलकुलेट करके if I do the workout, another 30-40 paisa of appreciation can still be possible in the rupee. Uh,
Correct.
so I'm not still recommending to go long in the USD INR pair. So why it is trending? Like I explained yesterday, massive inflow are coming because the dollar index is the way it is going down. All the money managers are basically investing in the emerging markets and trying to capitalize on the gain by investing in the emerging market. So massive inflows in our country, and that's what basically is strengthening the USD INR pair. So now coming to the other part of your question, now what is the implication of gold and silver? Okay,
Hmm.
so gold and silver looks very attractive to me, and I think gold and silver can still go up. It has a potential to further go up, but not on the basis of their own fundamental, not on its own merits. It is
Correct.
going up or down only because of the USD INR pair, nothing else. So maximum upside I'm expecting is still 51,400 to 51,500. From there, you can go short in gold and expect it to go down and test levels of 50,800 to 850.
Hmm.
Silver also, farm on contract 69,000, good levels to go short. Downside target should be 61,000, 68,000. Okay.
Hmm. Right. So that's with regards to gold and silver. Kunal, what do you see? I mean, what's your view in terms of what could happen with crude with all of this?
With all of these, even crude can, see a bit of upside. But the fact is, crude oil was moving up on the hurricane news, and hurricane is no longer uh, going to affect crude oil
Hmm.
production.
Hmm.
That's why we saw crude oil going down. But I expect, that even crude oil, the upside is not significant from present level. I'm recommending to go long for the evening trade at 3140 upside 318085. That's it. And stop loss should be placed at 3110 to 3115.
Right. And anything that looks interesting on the base metals as well as the agri commodities side?
Yeah, we flashed today copper inventory at LME is lowest since 2005.
Hmm.
Very bullish for copper. Copper you can go long 523 at current market price, 528 target. Stop loss should be placed below 520.
Right. So that's with regards to where different commodities go. And anything else on the bullion index, any strategy that you would want to recommend for MCX?
Yeah, so bullion index, we've already given one call in the
Hmm.
morning. Now we are of the view that 16,150 is a good level to go short. It can still come in the spike, and downside target should be 15,930 to 950. So I'm not very bullish on gold and silver. Just because of the dollar index, I'm expecting a spike in the evening session. So 51,500 if it comes, and the silver also if it tests 69,100, then at that time we can see a sharp upside. In that you can go short in bullion index.
Right. So that's with regards to where commodities are concerned. I don't think so anyone has any questions today, but we will see you back again on Monday with regards to strategies that we need to watch out for as to how US markets and how the dollar index reacts in overnight trade in today's session as well. But thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. Thank you, Kunal, as well.